Well, even if you were in the chat, like in a party. Huh? Oh, I need to open that up so I can see the view. Or the chat. Yeah, I love the car too. I'm actually really impressed with this car. I went to race it as a joke, and so far I think it's going to be my primary go-to vehicle. I know, I was thinking that, but I didn't want to go through the setup of everything. Man, these load times. Here we go. Oh, there he is. Ha! He's an anchor. Oh. I've never raced in the rain before, so this is gonna be new. Yep. And this is gonna be a dangerous turn. It's like racing on ice. Oh, there's a puddle there. Hey, that's Adam. The puddles will actually grab you. Yeah. Yeah, it's really cool. Yeah. Feels like we're driving on the interstate. With barriers and like a race car. Here's where I should get. Yep, I'm gaining on him. Really fast too. Oh no! Anybody say anything yet? I just get the feeling when I start slowing down, I just wait for a car to come slamming into the back of me. Don't bring him up here, Adam. Turn. If you're in chat, what do you think about this game? Oh, and can you hear my voice alright over the engine? I know it was pretty loud earlier. I hope they don't. I don't want all three of them up here. Well, at least I don't want Grizz and Rufus up here. What? She hates my Xbox One. Oh wow, it was only one lap. Wasn't fourth? Where's the other guy at then? How was I fourth? Okay, now that I have a chance to look, welcome Isaac Snipers, and Rob 38. What are you guys doing?